Unboxing the Ford Explorer Fender flare molding. Fender flare molding. Retaining clips. Tools required for Fender flare molding removal on Ford Explorer. Retaining clips. Small 5.5mm short socket. Small ratchet. Trim tool. Use a trim tool to remove the retaining clips on the Fender flare molding. Use a trim tool. Remove the two lower retaining clips on the Fender flare molding. Remove the retaining clips. Use a small 5.5mm short socket with a small ratchet. Remove the bolts on the Fender flare molding. Remove the bolt. Remove all bolts and retaining clips. Pull the Fender flare molding outward to remove it. Use a trim tool. Remove the clips from the fender. New Fender flare molding compared to the old one. Before installing the new Fender flare molding, install the retaining clips onto the Fender flare molding. Align the retaining clip. Insert it into the clip hole on the Fender flare molding. For the remaining clip holes on the Fender flare molding, install in the same way. The clips installed. Install the new left front Fender flare molding. Align the clip holes and install. Continue inserting. With the Fender flare molding in place, install the bolts. Use a small 5.5mm short socket with a small ratchet. Tighten the bolts. To secure the Fender flare molding, tighten until snug. Tighten until snug. Since the old retaining clip is damaged due to wear, we install a new retaining clip. Align the hole and install the retaining clip. Continue installing. Align the hole and continue installing. Install the lower retaining clips on the Fender flare molding.